Hi. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Noah if you're new here. So basically today my boredom has gotten the best of me and we are going to be doing some purple hair. So basically this is a semi-permanent hair color and it comes with like the color and then the brush and the gloves. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So the plan was to do purple highlights, but now that I'm actually here and thinking about it, that seems like a lot of work and precision. And I was reading this and it says that it's meant for bleached and highlighted hair. So my hair, I don't know if you can tell, but it's highlighted. So my thought process is if I just do my whole head, because like obviously you can see my roots are like basically black, will just the purple just show up. So that's the thought process for today and we'll see how it turns out. So I have a bowl and we're just gonna I think that's enough. I mean, I can always add more, right? I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off. And I think the plan is just doing it all over, I guess. And it says it comes out in 4 to 8 washes, so. Comes with a brush. I guess I just go for it, right? Should I just do it with my hands? Yeah. I really just went for it, which is kind of good, which means I'm not scared, I guess. I think that's like enough. I don't know how much you're supposed to put on. And also make sure you wear a shirt that you're okay with getting dye on. This one already has dye on it from a different time I dyed my hair. And Mom, if you're watching this right now, because I know what's going through your head right now, I moved the rugs. They're out of the way. And there's a towel on the floor, a beach towel. So I think that's good for the first section. So then I guess take my hair down and section it again. Okay. I think I'm gonna use the brush to like get closer to the roots. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing it. I hope this turns out. Alright, so this is the last section, pretty much. Nice big glob. Last section. Okay, so all my hair is covered, I think, but I'm gonna like go around one last time just to make sure it got everywhere. Can I speak English? No. I'm gonna go around one more time to make sure that it got everywhere. Okay, I think we're good. And now we wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna shower it out. And hopefully it turns out. Okay, so basically it did not turn out really, but if like you can see like with my light, you can kind of see, oh look at that girl, you can see like the purple, like it's not, it's like not there, but it's not there. So it was not a waste of time because it gave me an activity to do today and it occupied me, which was good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video, and be sure to share it with all your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!